welcome to Shradha FabLab. In this video, I am going to show you a simple technique in microgreen gardening. For that, we need green gram and some water. First step is to soak this green gram overnight. For soaking, we have to pour this water into the green gram. Now we'll keep this for one night. See, this is a soft green gram. I have soaked it for one night. See, you can see the small sprouts coming out. Now the second step. For that, we need a big tray like this. Then some tissue paper. That's the water. See? Then some sprouted green gram. Now I'm gonna put 3 layers of tissue paper in this tray. Now I'm going to put 1 layer of tissue paper full covered. First you have to do like this. Now the tray is ready for scattering the sprouts. Now for that we need to sprinkle some water. Don't sprinkle some more water, just sprinkle some little tiny bit of water. Now the tray is wet and ready for spreading the sprouts. Now I'm gonna spread the sprouts in this tray. Now shake the tray to spread the sprouts. See, I have done it all by myself. We know that for seed germination, it needs water and sunlight. Now I'm going to keep my tray outside so it can get sunlight. See, it's the 7th day. Let's see the plants are grow or not. See, my microgreen farming is ready for harvesting. I'm going to pluck the plant from the tray. I'm going to pluck some more. Now let's cut off the plants from the roots. the plants are all washed. Now we can chop it. Amma, come and help me. Always seek a grown-up's help because the knife is very dangerous. Now we are going to stir fry this. For that we need coconut oil, some mustard seed, and some chilies, and some grated coconut, and some garlic, and some salt to taste. Now on to the kitchen. Turn on the fire and preheat the pan and put some coconut oil. When the oil is heated up, add some mustard and some chilies. Now add some chopped microgreens. Now add the salt. Now stir it. Meanwhile, smash the coconut and the garlics. Now add the smashed coconut and garlic. Now our stir fry is ready. Now turn off the fire and put it into a nice bowl. Now this is ready to serve. Now let me taste it. Mmm. Thank you for watching my video.